In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Android smartphone. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, open settings. After that, here you can see search bar. Click on reset. After that, here you can see option backup and reset, restore. Click on this. Here you can see you can also backup your all applications from here. How to reset? Here scroll down. Here you can see erase all factory data reset. Here you need to click on erase all. After that, here click on erase all and add your mobile phone password. Your mobile phone will be restart and delete all data from your mobile phones. Internal storage included your Google account, system apps and data setting. Downloaded apps, music, photos and other data. In this way you can erase all and reset your smartphone. Thanks for watching this video.